In today's episode, we are going to be talking about Uniswap, LIDO DAO, Fantom, BIM, Bonk, and a few cryptocurrencies that have been doing very well because the markets have been recovering. We are beginning to have that euphoric uh, experience when it comes to cryptocurrencies, and people are beginning to rub their thumbs like Birdman. Okay, so that is obviously an exciting journey to look forward to when it comes to cryptocurrencies, because we are definitely going to be able to have many money making opportunities. So if you take a look at the statistics, right, obviously Uniswap, Lido DAO, Phantom, Beam, and Bonk have done on average about 30% in the past 7 days, which is absolutely crazy. So Uniswap has been going crazy. It's done about 10% in the last 24 hours, and it's been up by 38% in the last 7 days, which is very, very good. So Uniswap is obviously a decentralized exchange. It's a DEX built on Ethereum plus other layer 2 platforms as well. So back in the day, I do remember getting a Uniswap airdrop. I remember that time the value of a Uniswap airdrop was around $4,000, and then it did 100x. So we ended up making it roughly around 8,000 to about 12,000 during that particular period. So this time around, people are beginning to buy back Uniswap tokens because obviously when it comes to decentralized exchanges, this is where a lot of meme coins are located, and this is where people get to sort of go crazy when it comes to finding these extremely important areas. And this is one of the reasons why we're seeing Uniswap as the first mover, one of the first mover dexes actually. This is one of the reasons why it's taking its place in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. So this is one of the reasons why I really believe holding Uniswap is a very good deal. And if you were to ask me, I wouldn't buy anything which is valued at 7.1 billion US dollars as its market cap. And if you take a look at the fully diluted market cap, this is absolutely ridiculous. So obviously I would be finding other cheaper alternative projects that are going to do extremely well. But hey, everybody has got their own preferences. There's a lot of people who would rather invest in safe bets. And if you take a look at, how long Uniswap has been in existence, right? It's been around since 2020, and obviously people believe in it, and it's not really going to go anywhere. So massive accumulative phase in the past couple of months, and this is one of the reasons why now we are beginning to go higher. So I do expect the price of Uniswap to go as high as $12 before any sort of major resistance. Right now it's around $9, so we could eventually potentially see it close to around 15 US dollars in the next coming few months, which is obviously going to give you a very good return on investment. So the other coin that I wanted to talk about without wasting any time is Lido DAO. It is obviously 1.9 billion US dollars. That's the market cap. The fully diluted valuation is also pretty heavy. So this one is also a decentralized exchange, if I am not mistaken, right? So obviously stake.lido.finance, it's very similar to Uniswap. So that's the sort of narrative that people are expecting. The reason why people are buying these particular projects is because they want to have access to other exciting undervalued cryptocurrency projects. So if you are going to be investing in Lido DAO, why not sort of go deeper in the trenches and just find exciting new upcoming projects that are going to be hosted on Lido, and you're going to make more money. Of course, those are going to be risky bets, and you just have to figure out the perfect way forward. So this one, without even wasting your time, right? Obviously it is a no-brainer. It's going to about $3 in the next coming few weeks, and the next coming couple of months. We're obviously going to see it go above $3.44. So this is a very blatant bullish move towards the upside. So the journey is just beginning. The move towards the upside is just beginning. So as far as Fantom FTM is concerned, so I do remember FTM, and it's still shocking that the market cap of FTM is still 2.4 billion US dollars, and this is one of the reasons why it is a good opportunity for us to accumulate and continue buying such OG type of cryptocurrencies, cryptocurrencies that have been around since 2018. And, Phantom is one of those projects which is a very stable project, and they do have a lot of, good people who've got the best interest for the network, if I would say so myself. So, this one, without even opening trading view, I can tell you that it's going to go above $1.10, $1.15 in the next coming few weeks. So this is obviously going to be a very good play, and hopefully we're going to see the previous all-time highs. I would love it to go above $2 in the near future. So it has a lot of room to grow. All right, so moving on, let us take a look at Beam has done very well. So me and my colleagues were trading Beam. So we had Beam a few days before that parabolic move, and we did indeed catch the bottom. So Beam is also it's a relatively new coin. It's been around since 2023. So when it comes to Beam and the Merit Circle, right? These guys have got like an ecosystem of other projects that are going to be sort of airdropping some other projects, etc. So there's obviously quite a lot of momentum. So on this one, you just have to be very, very careful with regards to the tokenomics and those token locks. Okay, so I do have very high hopes for Beam. It's in the gaming niche, and that's a very good narrative which is going to be very big in the next coming few weeks. So this one is obviously going to go to the previous all-time high, which is close to or slightly above 4 cents. So if you buy this one, you're obviously going to end up doing very well. So as with every other project, there's going to be a whole lot of bullish momentum towards the upside, because we are experiencing the flippening of from BTC narrative to Ethereum and to alternative cryptocurrencies. So anytime soon, we're going to see every altcoin do very well. So this is one of the reasons why, getting in and positioning ourselves for those wins, those W's, is going to do very, very well. So the last and final coin that I'm going to look at is obviously Bonk. Bonk is a meme coin. I mean, it's in the category of PEPE. PEPE has also been doing very, very, very well. PEPE has done it 20% today. So PEPE and Dogecoin are sort of OG meme coins. So anybody who launches a meme coin looks up to PEPE, Bonk, and all that good stuff. Floki, you guys know what's up. So it's always amazing to see meme coins that basically fundamentally, technically do not have any significant role, have a very large market cap. So cryptocurrencies are very speculative, and sometimes the community, the narrative, and just the energy around certain projects sort of outweighs any sort of innovation. In this particular moment, right, Pepe is just a meme coin. It's a meme coin about a frog, and it's worth 5.2 billion US dollars, which is absolutely crazy to me. But anyway, if it flies, it flies. If it's tradable, we trade it, So we do not discriminate. We just trade it. No hard feelings, no special feelings towards it. It's just a means to an end for some of us. So PayPay, Bonk, these are also going to do very well because they are OG meme coins, and people who are sort of entering cryptocurrencies at this particular moment, they're obviously not going to dive deep into these decentralized exchange memes. Like, for example, you guys already know that the base chain has got ridiculous opportunities there, but it's there's a sort of barrier to entry. So a lot of people are just going to be going to the already existing established meme coins such as Doge and Bonk, Floki, and all that good stuff. So yeah, when it comes to Bonk, it's obviously going to hit the previous all-time high. As you can see, it's headed over to this particular price, which is 0.000342, which is crazy. Okay, so yeah, that's all I had for you today. Just a quick update for you guys. Hit the subscribe button in case you want me to look at any particular coin, but at this particular moment, right, anything is going to do very well. I mean, literally, if you just randomly pick 5 coins, you guys are going to do very well in the next coming 2 to about 6 months. So it doesn't really matter. Of course, there's gonna be a lot of rug pulls. There's gonna be a lot of scams. So you just have to do what you have to do by being safe and practicing very good, proper risk management. So yeah, I will be back with another episode pretty soon, and you guys take care. Remember, BTC is about to go to 72,000, or rather between 72 to about 75,000 US dollars. Right now, we're just having this mini corrective phase, and it's gonna be over very soon. And we're going to see the price of Bitcoin going back to the previous resistance and going back to the previous all-time high. So yeah, buckle up and enjoy the ride up. All right, so yeah, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button, and all that good stuff. Talk to you in a bit.